Alright guys, welcome to a new video, and today we're working on the dash. So this is the back side of it, and I'm replacing these vents. So this is the AC vent. Center vent is fine, don't need to replace that. And this is the other side AC vent. So both of these are broken. So I got to start taking all this tubular stuff off here, all the venting basically, to get them out. Got the new pieces here, straight from Mitsubishi, brand new in the bag. So I'm gonna get working on fitting these, and this is one step forward to getting the car back together, because I'll get this done. And it's the first time I've seen behind the dash, and it's quite basic, to be honest. It's not much here, just some wiring and a lot of plastic. It's quite flimsy in areas. So, all right, let's start taking it apart and see how long this takes. Hopefully it won't take too long. Okay guys, we're literally 5 seconds in, and I got that one cover off already, so ready to remove this vent. Let's go ahead and get this vent out and get the new one in. All right, got the old one out. They don't just pop out. There's a little bit of finagling you have to do to get them out, but it's out now. So we'll get the new one put in and start putting this side back together. All right guys, we're gonna pop the new one in. My wife Tiffany's doing it because she's got a little bit more finesse on stuff. I'm more manly and break things. So we're gonna let her do this tricky bit here, because it's not as easy as you think. I thought they would just pop through, but you kind of gotta finagle it through. All right, we got it in. I had to go in there with my manly hands and almost pry it in, but it's in. So I'll roll the dash over now. That's the back side of it. Just gotta screw it back now, and then we'll tackle the other side and take our time doing it so nothing gets broken. All right, let's go on to the next side. Okay, we've removed most of all the tubing now. It's all gone actually. So we're tackling the other side now. Similar to the other side, I would imagine. See how this one's broken. No. It is broken on the other side though, so we'll pull that one out now. Then we get the task of putting it all back together. Good times. I kind of almost force it out, really. It's very tricky. There she goes. Huh. Okay. I'll show you where this one's broken. And see how it's got the dead ones in the middle there? They're just basically flopping around freely, and it just looks like that, which is not correct. So we'll get the new one in now and throw these in the bin. Okay, there's the new vents installed. Center one was nothing wrong with the center one, it was fine anyway. And there's the new other vent, all nice and pretty, brand new. So that's basically how you install the vents once the dash is removed. Poppy, how do you think that went? You think it went okay? Think I did a good job? I think she thinks I did a good job. She came in and supervised. So there you go. Can't wait to put this thing back in the car. 504 of 2000. Out.